It's fine, I'm bang. Guys, we're running late, but me as a content creator, I need to shoot content. Guys, ang ainanga ne, and I'm hoping what it does show, but you guys, I can things we need to go. This is me. This is I. This is what I'm wearing. I bought these shoes at Zara probably 10 years back, but one thing about buying quality gear, it lasts. Then I bought this shirt at Small Street years back, and then I'm carrying my bag from Ngoti. Decided to put this jacket on top. I'm done. Let's go. Say bye-bye. You look tired already. Hassan. Let's go. Hi guys, hi guys. I can't. I'm even laughing at the fact that I still have this week. Yo guys, ngiqhumisile la ngasemuva because yazini. Anyway, hi guys, good morning. What time is it now? It's 7:09. I am driving. Okay, I'm using my car to go to the airport. Reason being, I am flying back today. So I figured let me just use my car instead of Uber and excuse me, save money. Because I mean, there's a Uberish and Uberish and I can just leave the car at the airport. Yeah. So anyway guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm always starting my vlogs but that thing is coming to an end soon because my life is gonna go back to normal. I am currently going to the airport to fly down to Durban to drop my son, and then one of our drivers is gonna get him, and then they go home, and then now I fly back to Joburg. Ulubanzi, I left him with my younger brother and his girlfriend to look after him for this few hours. So yeah, welcome back to a new vlog. It is raining and I hate flying when it's raining. Like guys, they're going to fly and they have phobia heights. So imagine it's raining and stuff like that. But yeah, mommy's gotta do what mommy's gotta do. I don't have a choice. My son is opening schools on, is it Monday or Tuesday? Tuesday. So I need to do this. So yeah man, let's go. Guys, even on the road, umgwaqo umnyama, into lento ibizwa ngantoni le ntuthu emhlophe. Kunentuthu nje. Yeah, and now I'm thinking, ake ngithule ngoba phela vela ngikwazi nani ukufly ibhanoya andazi noba babona kanjani abaya abantu. But yeah guys, let's go. Bye. Guys, I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. Nebo? Kuyabanda. It is so cold. Like, oh my god. But yeah. choice. Let's go to the airport. I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. Bye. Ngiyakubhora ne-vlog. Ngiyakubhora claro. Yummy, yummy. Thank you.
It's such a simple.
I thought say hi to the vlog. Ukhathale ndim ne.
Maybe
How am I? Indlela engikhathele ngayo ayikakhathalwa nangubani bani. Guys, my son was tired of me taking pictures, videos, like he was just over it. He was done. When?
just watch it.
Because soon at that.
I don't mean I work hard with music and my few funds. Families come and I knew that meaning I press next time. I know it's hard, 100 pound will sound bad. Not asking for the fun, so don't agree so far. I only wanna talk, anyone can show true love. I only need a plan, cause if you die any cash. I only wanna get, anyone can show true love. I only need a guy, cause you could die any cash. She could die any cash, anyone can show true love. She could die any cash, anyone can show true love. She could die any.
Let's go. We are going there to get your bags. Tata in your speed. The other.
My PlayStation 5. Yeah.
Yeah?
I can see.
Asambe, this side. What's on?
This thing is heavy and flipping over. Hi guys.
Nisukele emakhaya ukuzolanda okuhle.
Hey guys.
Nisukele ukuzolanda okuhle. Hi. Usegoli Lubanzi. Heaven is so hot. Now I look like a clown with ipoloneki, jackets. Yo. But yeah, we're here now, and I'm gonna be at the airport for 2 hours or 3 hours. It's after 11. Okuhle, ifone yakho uyandipha. What's the time now? It's 16 past 11. Nemali yakho. Konje nemali.
Bhatala kanjebisi pha.
Imali na. Yo Rasta. Andiyikhuphanga la mali, masambe soyikhupha. Siyabuya ne? Hlala lapha emotweni. Say bye to the vlog.
Can I please ask a question?
What?
You always give me money when you go. You never gave me.
I gave you 100 rand.
No.
Bye.
That was my money.
Qogelani.
You gave me 50 rand because.
Hey.
Please.
Phofu wathi ufuna ne-airtime.
Please.
Ngizokusenzela i-wallet. Say bye.
E-wallet. How much? How much?
Suba liphara.
Ah.
Bye. Love you too. Shopping, get my friends. Yes. Okay. Oh. So here I was waiting for my flight back. I was so happy that I'm flying back. Yes, the wait was too long. I think I stayed there for like 2 hours, 3 hours. It was very, very long. I wasn't even hungry. There was just no way I'm gonna go have lunch because I wasn't hungry. I had like a very, very filling breakfast in the morning. And also for those who are wondering why I don't stay with Okuhle, my mom is very attached. My mom doesn't want to let go. I've tried 1,000 times to please stay with all my kids, and she's like, nope, you can stay with the first one and the last one, not Okuhle. So I don't want to hurt my mom. And yeah, that's just why I don't stay with him. Hey guys, I'm back. I just paid my ticket. Now I'm looking for my car. I think I remember where I parked. Yo, I'm so tired. I'm sure y'all are tired of hearing me saying I'm tired. But I remember this tiredness izophela manje. Here is my car. I left it here in the morning. And guys, it's actually not expensive. I paid 94 rand. 94 rand. I don't know for how many hours. I wasn't counting. But Sana, I thought, let me put you guys here while I phone. I'm back in Joburg. Sana, I think I'm happy. You? Oh, well, guys. My son was like, I'm happy I'm going home. I'm like, I'm happy you are going. And he's like, what do you mean? You mean life is better without me? I'm like, no, I don't mean that, but you happy you're going home, right? He's like, yeah. I'm like, I'm happy too you are going. So let's not make this personal. Whew. And guys, my second flight, oh Sana, there was a baby behind me. Few months difference, because I asked the mom, how old is this baby? I said, yo, una 2 years 6 months. Ngithi yo ulingana nomntanami engimshiye endlini, and that's why ngimshiyile. Because my baby daddy kept on asking, are you sure you don't want to fly with Ulubanzi? I was like, no, I don't want to fly with Ulubanzi. I really don't. Guys, I'm trying to put GPS to my house. I was like, I don't want to fly with Ulubanzi. No, we are not doing that. And the baby was crying. Ashama City, so. And there's nothing you can do. Like, there's absolutely nothing you can do. Because you are a mom and you understand these things. Lapo, I wanted to sleep. I wanted to take a nap. But I couldn't. I couldn't take a nap, guys. Where's this parking? It's so small. No. Guys, let me try going out. I'll catch up with you guys now. And yes, guys, I have a feeling OR Tambo, it's more expensive than Lanseria. Lanseria makes sense for me because it's not far from my house. Not that I've parked my car before laphayana. Oh, ngiyoyikhipha le week namhlanje. Oh ma Jesu. Not that I've parked my car before OR, but I don't know, I just have a feeling OR is more expensive. Unjani baba? Ngiyaphila. Ngiyabonga. So I have a feeling it's more expensive. Yes, I wanna get home and take a shower. Like I wanna get home, ngiyengeze again. I don't know why. Thank you so much. Ngifuna ukufika endlini nje ngigeze. Qale phansi. Feel ngathi ngiyipharanyana. So I was saying, guys, that child, being a mom makes you understand, because the first thing that comes to my head is, what if this was my son? What if this was my Lubans? You know? So we understand that even if, I want to take a nap, ngifuna ukulala kule flight, but you thug it out because you're a mom. And the first thing that comes into your mind is, what if bekumntanam? Do bengangxoli lamntana engakhali. Oh my Jesus, guys, let me go. It's not raining anymore in Joburg. Let me go home, take a shower, take off this polo neck. As in, ngifika eDurban ikushisana. The weather in Durban was so hot. I was like, oh, now I look like a clown. But then, it's fine. It is finally done. Oh my God. Guys, I love having all my kids under one roof. I love it so much. Like, I love it. Sometimes I can't believe these are all my kids. I always I'm like, oh, y'all are all mine. Like, y'all are really all mine. Y'all literally came out of my, I don't want to say it. Like, really, these are all my kids. I'm always shocked, but I have 3 kids. Sometimes I forget him now. Sometimes I forget. Yazi ngikhumbula mase ngihleli nabo ukuthi hayibo bonke laba abantwana bami, like bam. These are my kids. But guys, ngiyakhathala Nkosi yami, ngiyakhathala yo. I was so happy. I was like, I'm gonna miss you so much, but bye bye. Bye. Oh, yes. But anyway, guys, let me quickly drive and stop yapping. I'll catch up with you guys when I get home. I'm so happy. I'm back to selling amaphinifa. Amadola ahambile. Amadola kusasa ngiyolanda amaphinifa. I need to send out pinifas. Ngiyajikala already GPS. One thing about me, I will yap, and I'm actually turning here. Ithulele vele yona le GPS. Amadola ahambile, guys. Dollars gone. I need to ngigcine nje ukungibona ngi-advertise amaphinifa. Mina ngisho nje mangashada indoda erich ngingakhohlwa ukuthi kumele ngiphande. Hayibo ngiyadlala. There's no way. When you have kids, there's no way. In fact, when you come with kids emshadweni, so nomntana, even if it's one, you don't have a choice but to work. Awuna choice nje kumele uphande for umntanakho. So yeah, I'm gonna fetch my pinifers and then I'm gonna send them out and back to regular programming. Engabe nizowabuka yena ama-vlog wami ubaba okuhle sekahambile. Lewanda. Yo. Guys, ngicela nibuke nama-vlogs. Sizobuya simbone futhi angazi how many years from now. Anibuka ama-vlogs wami. Tata okuhle akekho manje, amadola ahambile. Kumele ngiyothungisa amaphinifa. Qhubeke ngidayise. Yo, guys, that's bekusamnandi kanjani. Ngiyakhumbula ikhadi likaMswiping. But yeah, kulungile kabani. Guys, another thing before I forget. Guys, you guys are always shouting me about not putting a seat belt on Lubanzi, and I'm always explaining Ulubanzi. I put a seat belt, right? He sits at the back. I put the seat belt. He takes it out. Lubanzi has a car seater. If you knew here, Lubanzi has a stroller, a 3-set stroller car seater. The first stroller's got 12 months. 12 months from first month to 12 months, and then you change it from 12 months to 3 years. He has all of that. Lubanzi, there's nothing he doesn't have, right? But because of how tall he is, I quickly had to stop using everything, be it a stroller and yes, I know good, there's a seat that I need to buy to put at the back, which I didn't buy because I was like, Ulubanzi sits at the back, right? He's tall enough. He sits at the back. I put a seat belt, and at this point, I feel like I just need to thug it out and just buy that car seater, because for me I was like, why am I spending 3,000 or 4,000 for a seat when I can just put a seat belt, right? And I feel like I'm gonna explain this and again to other people who are still gonna come to my channel, because the new ones they are shouting. And yo Sana, this other one wrote a very long message. Ati, you don't listen. Your subbies have been telling you to put a seat belt on Ulubanzi. Clearly you want to see him aphuma ngewind. I know that message was so long. And ubumbona ukuthi yazi lo muntu lo angazi noma if mhlambe ngizothi umama ukwatile the way I didn't want to answer. I was like, you know what, she means well, yes, indlela ayibhale ngayo. I was like, this lady is actually shouting, but I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna answer her, it's fine. But because of I had a lot of those comments, that's why I'm like, okay guys, I hear you, and it's not that I don't listen when you guys tell me battle up, put usid. She even said it's crazy that way now you have a seat belt but umntanakho doesn't have. And in my head I'm like, oh sis, nkosi yami, if only you knew Lubanzi ukuthi ngiyamfaka seat belt but akafuni. So I am here to say, guys, I'm sorry. Angisi umuntu ongamameli makakhuzwa, especially if it's something that's gonna help me, because I mean it's safety yomntanami. But I just wish you guys could understand ukuthi Ulubanzi is so stubborn. You clip that silk bed, press, I keep it. At this point I don't know what to do, because I run errands with Ulubanzi, and I understand what you guys are saying, that it will happen, and not that ngiyazincoma ukuthi ngisafe mangidriver, but awulazi bad, yabo. So I am just here to apologize, guys, and ningathi don't say I don't listen. I don't think of my son's safety, I think of myself, and Nkosam, I do put a seat belt. Ulubanzi takes it out. Ulubanzi's kanzonzo, guys. He's tall, he's buffy. He doesn't have a body of a 3-year-old because he's turning 3 next month. So askis bafethu, ngiyacela ningangithethisi, but angazi, because ngiyayenza lento, ngiyayifaka i-seat belt but Ulubanzi uyayikhipha. So it's not that I don't listen, it's not that I don't think of my son's safety. It's just a situation engiyithandazelayo ukuthi lo mntwana makakhule alalele. Or maybe I must just start beating him up emotweni, I don't know. But yeah, I wanted to address that before I forget while I'm still driving that. It's not that I don't listen, guys, and I'm really sorry if I come across as if I don't care about my son, or I don't care about the comments where you guys are telling me to put a seat belt. I care and I do it. But yeah. Yo guys, I didn't sleep. I had to wait for Lubanzi. I couldn't take my nap yesterday. And guys, I love being a mom. I've always said I love being a mom. Yes, I was a mom at a very young age, obviously not planned. Teenage pregnancy and but I remember when I first held my son in my arms, the firstborn, I was so young. I was 17, turning, like I literally turned 18 and I was a mom already because my son was already here, So by the time my birthday came and I was 18, I was a mom already. That was obviously not my plan. My plan was to finish high school, get a degree, get a job, blah blah blah. We all want that, but God said no, yours is going to be different. And I don't regret it. Like, I really don't, because I love being a mother. I'm grateful to God for even trusting me at that age. And I think he did it because he knew that he will see me through it. But sometimes I just need my me time. I just want to be alone. I just I just want my me time. Like, yo, guys, being a mother, oh, it's such a beautiful thing. I always tell people that if you want to be a mother, trust me, you will enjoy it. Don't have kids if you don't want kids, but if you want to be a mother, oh, it's such a beautiful thing. It is such a blessing to be trusted by God to take care of his souls, because even the Bible says, "uThixo usibolekile abantwana," so for him to trust me, ongezwa, to take care of his souls in this world, in this cruel world, and he says, I know you're going to do it right, with my help, of course, because I'm not doing it alone. God is with me. I appreciate it and I'm very grateful for it. I love being a mother, and yeah, guys, but today I just wanted my me time. Lubanzi was literally in the dining room. Damfagelo Popeye TV. I was like, sit here and watch cartoons. I need some me time. But yeah, I as much as I get tired sometimes, I wouldn't trade my life for anything. I wouldn't trade being a mother for anything. I wouldn't trade my kids for anything in this world. That's how much I love them. I feel like words cannot explain how grateful I am that I'm a mom to my boys and but sometimes bandiza nhloko, I just wish ugogo angabathatha bonke for a year aphinda babuyise. I'm joking, guys, but yeah, this morning I was just having my me time, chatting to my friends on the phone, watching some YouTube on my laptop. And fortunately for me, Ulubanzi gave me the space. Like, he literally gave me the space. I was shocked myself, but Ulubanzi is not coming. I thought, yes, and he was like, no, I'm not coming. Take your time. It was so nice. But yeah, let's start this day and see where it takes us, guys. And I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. So I'm just gonna wake up now, make my bed, start my morning routines with you guys, and we continue with life. Guys, being a mother is beautiful. That's all I'm gonna say. Love your kids, give the best, and trust God to help you mother them. Good morning, guys. Yo, guys, I finally took out my wig. But now I look so crusty. I need to go install a new wig, and also my nails are coming out. I have 2 left here. 4, well, this one, I need to do my nails. I basically need to go for maintenance, and I don't know when I will go, because I need to gather strength, because I go with Ulubanzi to do my hair, like whatever that I'm doing it with Ulubanzi. So sometimes I stay for some bit of time because I need to be mentally ready to go to the salon with Ulubanzi. So yeah, guys, we are back. I'm supposed to go to this guy. I have pinifers, people that ordered pinifers, and he said last week he was busy, so he wasn't able to make them. So he's gonna do them today, and then I can fetch them tomorrow so that I can send out people's pinifers. And at this point, I feel like people are like, this lady has been gallivanting and she forgot about us. No, it's not that. I'm not that person. I did manage to buy material in my busy schedule. I did drop them, but the guy was just too busy. He had so many orders. And at this point, I feel like this guy is slowing me down. What happened? Something went there. Something fell is already bad to the boys. This is nuts. Come. So, Hans. Excuse. There we go. I'm coming. You want this one? Mom is using this phone. Lubanzi, go there. I'm gonna come and give it to you. Morning. Okay. I'm back. So I was saying, guys, this guy is slowing me down because he always has many orders, and also I just feel like he's not creative enough for Pinifa. For the pinifers that I want to make, he's just not creative enough. He's guys, they are nice pinifers, like beautiful pinifers that you can not only wear at home, but wear at some traditional event, whatever, you know, like there are pinifers that are very, very, very nice. And I just feel like he's not doing that. I need to find the designs on social media, TikTok, on other people's account, and I don't like that. I mean, I always tell him, Uguti, but this is your job. Why are we making such simple pinifers, you know? But also, I think my mistake was to work with someone. He's not a South African, right? Umuntu wangaphandle. And remember, guys, Pinifa, it's a South African thing, and also not all, like into yamaZulu nama Auntie T once said on her Xhosa, because Xhosas are different, guys. She said on her Xhosa side they don't have pinifers. On our Xhosa side we have pinifers. We know pinifers. So as much as it's a South African thing, it's not for everyone. So I just feel like he's kind of slowing me down. One, because he has a lot of work. Two, whenever he does pinifers that I have to advertise, I am not like, yo, this pinifer is so nice. I'm not like, yeah, I'm like, okay, cool, you know. But I have found someone. It's just that this person is not a Joburg, and I don't know how I'm gonna work with someone who's not a Joburg. But he's just slowing me down, and I need to brand the pinifers and stuff like that, and it's just taking longer. Also, the guy who does my City Mom brand, that guy disappeared out of nowhere. He's not answering my calls. He's not sending out orders that I've placed with him. It's been a month now of him ignoring my calls. I've been waiting. Remember, guys, the second order that he said he sent, he didn't send it. He's not answering my calls. I don't know what is happening. Now I need to find a new person who's gonna do my City Mom branding. Like, guys, those are the things that I was going through Zona when Ogutle's baby dad was here. But I couldn't talk about those things because I needed to focus and make my son happy. And, you know, I just needed to attend to one thing at a time. So hence I just focused on that, and I made sure, because I knew he's here for 10 days and then I can. But my stress level was, trust me, was sky high, and there's absolutely nothing I can do. I've been trying to call the guy. I've been texting him. He is not responding to none of my messages. I don't know what is happening. There's a lady who ordered a pinifer and a City Mom t-shirts. The pinifer has been done. It's been a week or 2 weeks now. The t-shirt, at this point, I need to tell that lady, you know what, can I just send you back your money for the City Mom t-shirts, or I make you another pinifer. There's a lady who bought two, guys, like, I feel like Yo, guys, that guy, that guy did me dirty, and he's currently doing me dirty. But at this point, I feel like it's in the past because I don't see myself calling him again. I don't feel like ngisazomlandelela and keep asking what's wrong, why are you not answering my calls, what about the orders that I've placed, and I'm just over it. I've made calls. Someone has sent me a number to talk to this guy, tell him what I want. And starting a business is hard. And starting a clothing business when you know nothing about ukthunga, it's the hardest, because if I knew how to sit down and make this pinifers myself, I wouldn't be going through this thing. If I knew how to do this t-shirts, the hoodies, the everything that I'm selling for City Mom, I wouldn't be stressing so much. But unfortunately, I don't know how to do them. I need to work with someone, pay that someone, and then sell them to you guys. But I am currently going through the most when it comes to my new business that I've started, and it's all because of the people that I'm working with. So I just need to apologize to the people that have been waiting for their pinifers. I need to apologize to the people who I have to cancel their orders when it comes to City Mom. Or if you guys can wait and I talk to the new person, see his work. And guys, let's start this vlog, because right now I'm yapping, I'm venting, and yeah, I'm just going through it all emotionally, but there's nothing I can do. I will fix it. I'll thug it out as usual. Cry about it, pray about it, and yeah, I guess I have to be attacked because I'm starting a business, and anything that you're starting for yourself, you want to make yourself money for your kids, and the devil has to, I guess the devil has to attack, because I feel like I'm being attacked, because why would you just ignore my calls just like that? And yeah, it's a lot. But anyway, let's start this vlog, guys. And I don't know ukuthi ngizokwenza kanjani. I am very confused, but I know that I was supposed to pick up pinifers today. I'm not gonna pick them up. He said I must come tomorrow. This is the day where I need to use my brains, sit down, strategize, come up with plan. But okay, this is what I need to do, because the show must go on. I need to continue selling my pinifers. I need to continue selling my City Mom brand. I'm not gonna stop because of this little thing that is happening. But yeah, let's make some green tea. I'm gonna exercise today, guys. I didn't exercise for 2 weeks. For full 2 weeks, I didn't exercise because I was busy galavanting. I didn't exercise for full 2 weeks. Did I gain weight? Hi guys, I don't know, but actually I'm gonna take a scally, check Uguti. Didn't exercise for full 2 weeks, so I need to get back to my regular programming. And yeah, guys, life is not easy, but yeah, let's continue.
Good luck.
Just here to say I love my kittens.
What till it come true between us two? Even Jenny had to, but me not believe too. Atakani na fake friends too. Real ones what I come through. I only wanna go. Any nigga show true love. I only need a cut. Cause if you got any cash, I only wanna go. Any nigga show true love. I only need a cut. Cause you could have any cash. You could have any cash. Any nigga show true love. You could have any cash. Any nigga show true love. You could have any cash. Any nigga show true love. Ataka ni fake love. Any nigga show true love. All love.
Guys, my collagen is finished. I think I have like 1 spoon or scoop. Oh, guys. And I haven't been drinking it like for 2 weeks, obviously. But, guys, collagen. Ngizoyimela lento ye collagen ka 600 rand, 800 rand. Oh, guys, I can't get. Ha? Lapho angina choice. I'm gonna go drink my green tea. Sengiphuzile amaphilisi wami. Now I want to drink my collagen, but I'm thinking konje iphelile. It's fine. Sizoyithenga. Are you hungry? Do you want food?
No!
Okay. Guys, it is another day of this vlog. Guys, I didn't go fetch amapinifa on Monday. Today is a Wednesday. The reason I'm coming here is because even today, I don't think I'm gonna go fetch those pinifers because this guy said I must come Monday. Monday, he said he's not ready. He was so busy. Yesterday, he said I must come at 11. At 11:30, he said, please don't come. I'm not yet done. Today's a Wednesday. He's still quiet. So I feel like I might as well just close off this vlog here because I don't think I'm gonna go. And whatever that I'll do from tomorrow, which is Thursday, that's if I'll have a vlog for Sunday. But guys, I think I did vent about how this guy is frustrating me in this vlog. I don't want to talk about it a lot now because I just don't want to like feeling like I'm vent again. I'll be venting again if I talk about how this guy is frustrating me with how he's doing things. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me close it here. And yeah, cry about it. Pray to God about my business. Because I'm having so much, and so many challenges. But kuzolunga, so, but yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. I'm so crusty. Like this whole vlog, I was crusty. I had this old wig that I've been saying Zoikupa. Now I have this wig lines. I have these wig lines that are so old, and like I feel like my next vlog, it'll be my maintenance vlog. I don't know, but yeah, bye.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, would you?